Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh and I welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to talk about the Python. We will start from scratch. The first step what we will be doing is we will be installing the Python in our system, and then we will go ahead with the configuration and installation setup of it. So let's go ahead, and this is the official portal of the Python, where we can see their documentation and download the latest version of the Python. So if you want to download the latest version, then that is also here, and if you want to go ahead with any of the older version, then all of these versions are available here. So basically right now we have two category of the people who have been using two different variant of the Python. Few people are still familiar and used to of Python version 2.7, whereas few have moved on to the latest version and the latest features of the Python. So it is possible that when you are going ahead doing research on the internet for something, then you may get some code which is of the older version, so that may not run in the latest version because they have done a hell lot of changes in the syntax of the commands. So let's go ahead and let's download it. So the download has begun now, and it will take a while to get complete. So meanwhile, let's discuss a few more stuffs about it. So basically Python is a very user-friendly language, and if you haven't done any of the coding ever in your life, then don't worry about it. The Python is very easy and very convenient to learn. It is not as easy as the YAML or other language, but yeah, in the comparison of the low-level language like C or C++, it is quite easy, and it's very easy to understand, and whatever you want to do in your code, you need to write it in pure English, and that stuff will be done. So let's install it. So if you want to change the path, then here is the custom installation. Here you can go ahead and you can change the path. Install launcher for all user, that is recommended. And one more stuff which is present over here is Python 3.7 to the path. So I will recommend you just go ahead and click on this. What will happen with doing this, I will explain you later, but I will recommend you to do it. So accept it, and the installation process has started. So let's wait for it to complete. So what I'm planning after this particular video, I will go ahead and I will provide a demonstration of installing it on the Linux host. I will take example of this CentOS or RHL7. So in that way it will be good, I believe. So let's not limit ourselves to one operating system. I will learn it in both of this operating system, which are giant in the market. The first one is Linux and the second one is Windows. So let's wait for it to finish, and then once the video is done, then we'll finish this video and we will go ahead with the installation process of the Python in Linux. So this has been done. So let's open it now. Here it is. So if you want to have a look on the documentation, then you need to open it, and when another you can say prompt will be opening, and it will redirect you to the documentation. But this is idle. Here you will be writing your code, and it has a command line tool as well if you want to use it. Here's the module. Sorry, here's the manual. So we can. So here is the documentation of the Python 3.7.3 for Windows 10. So that is not part of this particular video, so we'll go ahead and we'll start writing our first code. So let me print something. So this is our first code. So we'll go ahead with the printing something. So if you want to print something in Python, then you need to simply write print, Into the braces you need to put 2 inverted comma, and you need to say whatever you want to print. So let's say hello and hit enter. That's it. Hello, we have done it. So this is our first code. We have done it. So thanks for watching our video. In our next video we will go ahead and we will install the pip, and once we are done with the pip we will go ahead and we will install Netmiko and Paramiko. So just for your information, Netmiko and Paramiko are the two modules which are required if you want to connect to the servers or routers, switches and firewalls and other networking gears. So let's finish this particular video, and in our next video we'll go ahead and we'll install the pip first of all, and then we will install the Netmiko and Paramiko. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.